our stainless steel shelf. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72 inches, a depth 12 inches, and a height 34 inches. Coming to the bottom left and right corners are additional support for stands. And between the bottom and top shelf, we have 17 3/4 inches, with the thickness of each shelf measuring 1 inch. Coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification. And please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.